Our coverage here. We're going to talk a little bit more about really the hold now on deportations that the Biden administration wanted to do, but a judge said, up, not so fast there. I got the update right here for you on NewsNOW from Fox, everybody. So this is the latest here that we are receiving as the Biden administration's effort to impose a 100-day pause on deportations of illegal immigrants were dealt another blow just yesterday when a district judge extended a ban on the imposition in response to a lawsuit from Texas. U.S. District Judge Drew Tipton indefinitely banned enforcement of the January 20th memorandum that would have implemented a 100-day pause on most deportations. Tipton had previously issued a 2-week restraining order on the policy after Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton had argued that it violated federal law and has an agreement with the Department of Homeland Security that Texas be consulted before such a move. Biden had campaigned on the 100-day pause as part of a sweeping immigration agenda that includes a halt on border wall construction, an end to the migrant protection protocols, and a pathway to citizenship for millions of illegal aliens. The broad pause would have had exceptions. It would exclude those who had the sweeping talks about. It would also exclude, according to a written finding by the head of Immigration and Customs Enforcement, have engaged in terrorism or espionage or who pose a danger to national security. It would also exclude those who were not present in the U.S. before November 1st, 2020, those who agreed to waive the right to remain, and those whom the ICE director individually determined need to be removed by law. But Texas argued the directive violates the Constitution and federal law, as well as contractual agreement between Texas and DHS signed in the final days of the Trump administration that the state would be consulted before reducing immigration enforcement or pausing deportations. The agreement means that DHS must give Texas 180 days notice of any proposed change on any matter that would reduce enforcement or increase the number of removable or inadmissible aliens in the U.S. Paxton claims that agreement has been violated. Our state defends the largest section of the southern border in the nation. Failure to properly enforce the law will directly and immediately endanger our citizens and law enforcement personnel, Paxton said in a statement last month announcing the lawsuit. The administration has since issued guidance to ICE agents informing them that they will need pre-approval from managers to arrest some illegal immigrants if they do not fall into the category similar to those that were also exempted from the deportation freeze. So if they don't fall in line with those orders, before an ICE agent is going to make an arrest, they have to call up their supervisor and say, hey, can we arrest this person? Then they got to get the clearance to do that. And then who knows, by that time, will the illegal immigrants still be there? Will they be able to take them into custody? You just don't know. But that is the latest update there. As this guidance is temporary, only lasting 3 months until DHS can issue further guidance. Officials said the guidance does not explicitly prevent anyone from being arrested or deported. Instead, it directs resources at certain targets there. So a lot of, looks like, red tape involving trying to get illegals out of the country. We're going to take another quick 2-minute break right here on NewsNOW from Fox, everybody. We continue to always bring to you the very latest. As always, this looks like we're getting an update here from Michigan on bringing back schools. When will there be back in person